Hello, we are back in the boatyard. We've been talking about this big refit we have coming up, but we postponed it because we were having some serious FOMO and we wanted to go cruise the Bahamas with our friends. But now that's over and it's hurricane season, so it's time to haul out and start work.
In our last episode, we sailed from, Nassau to Bimini?
Yeah.
If you haven't seen that, check it out down here. We got a link somewhere and you can check that one out. It was a really fun sail. Since then, we spent some days sailing over some period of time from Bimini to Fort Pierce to Charleston to Virginia. We've picked some great weather windows where it was just calm.
Hold everything. Are we remembering the same trip? We definitely had some lumpy, bumpy wet bits.
So we're going to be here in the boatyard for a while, maybe the next 5 months or so. We've got a lot of work to do and you'll see more of that as we get into it.
I'm Jerry.
And I'm Sean. Come along on our real-life adventures as we explore the world and boat life on our sailing catamaran Rome.
Now let's jump back into the episode and see what's going on. We are lined up at the boat ramp and the trailer is coming down and we are ready to get out of the water. I hate this part. This is our third haul out. So far everything has gone fine every time, and this yard specializes in catamarans. They've got a really specialized trailer, so I'm really not worried about it, but somehow it just makes me nervous every time. You don't think that's ever going to change? Well, kind of a bummer. Tide's almost out and they're worried about our mini keels hitting the bottom on the way out. So instead we've been pushed to tomorrow morning. Well, she's out of the water. Now time for a good pressure washing, because, oh man, is she filthy. Ugh. Ooh, don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. Please don't fall. All right, now that we're here, first things first, we've got to empty this boat.
You've already seen that, and if you're dying to see us empty a boat again, we got a link down below to the episode where we emptied it before, but we got to do it, and so off we go.
All right, let's do it. And just like that, the boat is empty. Okay, maybe not just like that, but we did get it done a whole lot faster than the last time we had to do this. So we have rented two 16-foot pods, and this one has all of our belongings, our stuff, our tools, our everything. And the other one has all the bits and pieces of the boat. Every drawer, door, ceiling panel, cushion, it's all in the other one.
Well, we're unloaded and kind of put away and organized about as much as we're going to be for now. So now it's on to bigger and better things.
Since we're going to be out of the water for a while, this is a good opportunity to give the sails a bit of attention. We noticed a separated seam in the main while we were heading north. We also already knew that one of the webbing strips that reinforces the clew where it attaches to the outhaul was broken and completely severed. The boat's gonna look so naked once we have this off.
I know. It's gonna get more and more naked as we go.
There's no time to waste when it's 100 degrees. Burns under my feet. Won't you have a drink with me? We head into town, see what it's about. Barely need a shirt, though the sun has almost set. Make the most of it. I know we will dance and sing. There's a heat wave. There's a heat wave rolling in. There's a heat wave, yeah. There's a party in the streets and the city's on fire.
The main and the jib are 11 years old and original to the boat. This is our first sailboat and we're not really sure how long we can expect them to last. We're not even sure exactly what material they're made of. We're pretty sure they're laminate and not Dacron. And we've read that these sails can last anywhere between 5 and 10 years, and we are on year 11. It's definitely a question that we would like the experts to answer. There's a sail off nearby with a long history and a great reputation, so we're going to take our sails there for evaluation and repair. We're hoping to get at least another year or two out of them. Join us for our next episode when we begin the demolition process. We'll start by removing the engines, generator, sail drives, and rudders, and then we'll move on to the hard stuff. Thanks for tuning in to the start of our giant refit. It's going to be a long process, and we hope you'll watch and comment with your suggestions and recommendations. If you enjoyed this episode, give it a like. Also, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that YouTube will let you know when the next video drops. See you next time. Bye!